2021 is officially over. This crazy ass year is behind us. It no longer matters because now we're going to the future. 2021. It's gonna be a great year. I know it, and I'm making this video for anybody out there who wants to make 2021 the greatest year to learn English. 3 tips on how to make 2021 the greatest year of all time for learning English. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to it already. Slap the like button, don't just click it. Don't just click the like button, you gotta, okay? Are you ready? 3 tips. Let's start right now. All right. So we are at my buddy Alex's house right now. I have some stuff I gotta pick up over here. I guess I'll introduce you to him. He's a pretty weird guy. Well, I guess the door is unlocked. Alex!
Man, my desk is a mess.
What up, boy? Say what up to the viewers.
What's up?
Look them in the face.
I ain't looking at that.
Look them in the eyes. Have some respect. Say what's up, English Only 101 viewers.
What's up, English Only 101 viewers?
That's right.
9/11 was a conspiracy.
Camera right here. Tip number 1. Make 2021 your bitch. Now, what I mean by that is make this year your year. No excuses, no bullshit. Let nothing stand in your way of accomplishing your goals. Work hard every day. Try harder than you've ever tried before. It's all a mindset. It's all in your head. If you think to yourself, you know what? I'm gonna do this. Then chances are you're probably gonna do it. And keep that same energy all year long. Make 2021 your bitch. Sorry, I should have bleeped that out. Your bitch. There's Alex. And there's me. Look how good I look, man. I look clean.
You look fat.
Do a little guitar flip, make me look cool. All right, folks. This song is called, what's the song called?
Say It Ain't So.
Say It Ain't So. By who?
Weezer.
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 Where'd you get this?
Mexico. Dude, did you break my slide? You broke.
No, it's right there.
No, dude, you just broke this.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Bro. It was an accident. Why'd you put it right up there?
It's been up there for years. Jesus Christ.
I'll buy you a new one.
You can't buy these, dude.
I'm sorry, bro.
I've had this thing for years.
Yeah. I learned how to play from the best. Tip number 2, make some New Year's resolutions. If you don't know what New Year's resolutions are, they're goals that you intend on accomplishing in the new year. Everybody likes to make New Year's resolutions. It's a thing. People say, hey, what's your New Year's resolutions? And people, oh, I want to lose weight. But a majority of the time, they ain't gonna lose no damn weight. That's just the truth of it. A lot of people make these goals and that's it. They might try for 1 week or 2 weeks or even sometimes 1 month. But after that, a lot of them usually quit. You are not going to be that person. You are gonna do the opposite, okay? Because you've already got this mindset, right? You have already determined that 2021 is going to be your year. So, what's your goal? What's your New Year's resolution? Write it down. If you've watched any of my videos in the past, you know I'm a firm believer in writing your goals down, because when you write it down and you put it up on the wall, you see that every day. You know, I have something I have to do. It's time to write those goals down, and it's time for you to do everything in your power to make sure that those goals become a reality. So if your New Year's resolution is to learn English, write that goal down and go into this new year with positivity and confidence. You can do this. I believe in you. 2021, this is your year, man. It's gloomy, but it's beautiful. Alex!
What did you do?
Oh my God. I got hooked up on that fence. I was trying to do some Jet Li It didn't work out the way I wanted it to. This guy right here can cook a good burger.
Thanks, man.
A really good burger. Even though that grill does most of the work for him,
Yeah.
it still tastes so good. Now, tip number 3, this is optional. You don't have to do this, but I do recommend that you buy a small course of some sort. If you can find a cheap online course that you can purchase for, I don't know, $100, it's probably gonna help you a lot. And for 2 reasons. These 2 reasons are probably something you don't think about, but I know for a fact it's true. Reason 1 is because if you spend money on something, you're more likely to use that product. There's plenty of free information throughout YouTube, yes, but you're not tied to it. But if you spent $100 on something, you don't want to waste your money. And my second reason why I think you should buy a cheap course is because I think it's a great starting path for anybody who's serious about accomplishing their goals in the new year. For example, years ago, I would always say my New Year's resolution is to lose weight. I'm gonna lose some weight this year. I'm gonna lose some weight this year. Every year I would say that. And if you haven't guessed it yet, every year I would show up at the gym, I'd walk around with my hands in my pockets, I would do a couple of these, a couple of these, I'd go on the treadmill for a few minutes, and then I'd go home. And after a week or 2 of doing that, I would give up because I had no path. I had no plan. Funny enough, my dad used to tell me years ago, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And I believe that's true. So I paid somebody $100 to create a 12-week workout plan for me. You better believe I did every single day of that 12-week plan because I spent $100 on it. I was not gonna let my money go to waste. And I'm so glad I did it too, because it told me what to do. It gave me a plan. I didn't have to sit around and wonder what to do. I had this piece of paper telling me, if you do this on this day and you do that on that day, for 12 weeks, you're going to lose weight and you're going to build muscle. And the awesome part about that is that after the 12 weeks was over, I didn't stop. I had so much momentum and energy behind me that I kept going. It was a good push in the direction that I needed to be going. It was a push that I needed, and it's a push that I think a lot of you could benefit from. So do your research. I recommend it. Go online, find a simple, cheap course that you want to try out, and just complete it. Find something small. Find like a 6-week program. Find a 10-week program. Whatever you want to do, just buy something cheap. That way it gives you a sense of urgency. It's going to make you want to complete that. And if you complete that, you're going to be more willing to go the next step. You understand what I'm saying? Man, it's so peaceful out here. It's so peaceful. It's so quiet. You don't hear anything. At the studio, all you hear is but over here,